Hey there, I'm Rob. We're talking about how to start up the broadcast audio system at Central Triad Church for those of you budding audio engineers that want to help out back here. So let's see, we got the computer, we got the touchscreen, keyboard, mouse, and right back here we've got the battery. So let's start by holding this middle button down until it beeps. That's going to provide power to everything. And while that's powering up, the next step is to come over here to the computer and turn it on. Alrighty. Now, okay, the computer is up, and the next thing you need to do is log into it. Alright, once the computer's logged in, you can come on over here and turn off the master mute all. Okay. Once we're at the desktop, you can come right over here to the application called Reaper. Double click on that. And it will take a few minutes to launch because it's got a lot of good stuff going on. But once it's up here, what you want to do is come over here to File. And then let's go to Recent Projects. And then look for, in this list, the one that ends in CTC Live. And that's going to take a few minutes to load up everything, and we'll be ready to go. And I will show you in a later tutorial some of the running of this equipment. Okay, now say we're at the end of service and it's time to shut down. So what we're going to do is, because you've made quite a few adjustments, let's make an adjustment to this volume here, etc. Just make a change to the file now. When you go to File and Quit, it's going to ask you if you want to save. Say no, and it's going to exit out of Reaper. Now you can come back down here to, sorry, I'm having to do this by myself, guys. So start, shut down. It's important while it's shutting down that you come over here and hit the mute all button, because sometimes you'll start getting static through the speakers, and if you've left the levels up pretty loud, it's going to scare you. Computer's down. Come back over here to the power supply, the battery backup. This middle button, hold it down. You have to kind of push it in with the tip of your finger until it beeps. And then let go. Power's off. You're shut down and ready to go.